Now that we've covered the theory of personal branding, let's dive into some real-world case studies. These examples show how powerful personal branding can be when it's built on authenticity, storytelling, and a clear UVP. Let's start with Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner's personal brand is a perfect example of how vulnerability and authenticity can drive massive success. In You Are the Brand, I explained how Kylie didn't just launch a product line. She built an emotional connection with her audience, sharing her insecurity about her lips. That vulnerability made her relatable, and it's what turned Kylie Cosmetics into a billion-dollar business. The key takeaway here is that Kylie's brand isn't built on perfection. It's built on embracing her imperfections and using them to connect with her audience. The next case study is one of my favorite people in the world, Cristiano Ronaldo, and the CR7 brand. Ronaldo's personal brand is built on his values of hard work, discipline, and family. His brand isn't just about football. It's about what it takes to be the best in the world, and his audience respects him for that. In You Are the Brand, I dive into how Ronaldo's work ethic and commitment to excellence are the cornerstones of his brand. His CR7 lifestyle brand reflects these values and has become a global success because people want to embody those same values of dedication and excellence. Now let's move on to the next case study. Logan Paul and KSI with Prime Hydration. Now, we all have our own opinions on them, but it's a case study that cannot be ignored. Logan Paul and KSI are great examples of how rivalry and authenticity can be used to create a personal brand. Their YouTube rivalry wasn't just entertainment. It became the foundation of their highly successful business venture, Prime Hydration. In You Are the Brand, I highlight how their fans were already invested in their personal stories. And that emotional connection is what made Prime Hydration a massive success. Now let's look at the key takeaways. Authenticity and vulnerability are at the heart of a successful personal brand. Examples like Kylie Jenner, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Logan Paul and KSI show the power of aligning your personal brand with your values. Your personal brand is not just about what you do, but how you make people feel and connect with you. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Think about how you can apply these case studies to your own personal brand. Are there areas where you could be more vulnerable or share more of your story? Take a few moments to reflect on how you can build a deeper emotional connection with your audience.